Hey, hello, Paul Apollonia, showing you I saw these refrigerator freezers sitting on the side of a swim club, looked up some parts, and there was a shelf bracket right there that I pulled out. Goes for $50 on eBay. I will be listing that as a little plastic part. So, and the rest of this stuff doesn't go for much. I understand you have it listed, and that freezer has nothing in it except some mustard and ketchup. So please, be safe. Pull over properly. Now I'm obviously in a big parking lot here, so I'm okay. But hey, there's money out there in parts. Free money. Check it out, guys. You have a good day.